Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. There we go. Today we're making cheese crackers. Make the crunchiest, cheesiest homemade crackers right in your own kitchen. These Chef John's cheesy crackers are crispy, packed with real cheese flavor, and way better than anything you can buy at the store. Perfect for parties, snacks, lunch boxes, or just an addictive, cheesy bite. In this video, I'll walk you through every step from mixing the dough to baking and perfecting the crispy texture. These crackers are fun to make, customizable, and absolutely delicious. Okay, we're gonna shred up some cheddar cheese. Then we're gonna shred some Parmigiano Reggiano. Then we're gonna grease a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper and set it aside till we need it. Okay, we're gonna add our softened butter, our cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, paprika, and cayenne and salt to a small bowl. And we're gonna mix that up until well combined. Now we're gonna add in our flour. And we're gonna stir that until it becomes crumbly and dry. Now we're going to add our cold water a few drops at a time, mixing gently just until the dough comes together. Do not overwork. The dough should be firm but pliable. Then we're going to dump our dough out onto a floured surface. We're going to form it into a round disc and tightly wrap it in plastic wrap. Place it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This prevents the crackers from spreading and improves the texture. Okay, preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. Place your chilled dough on a lightly floured surface. Then we're going to roll the dough out into 1/8 of an inch thickness. Keep the dough as even as possible. Using a pizza cutter, we're going to cut our dough into about 1.5 inch squares. Now we're going to transfer those onto our prepared baking sheet, leaving a bit of space between each cracker. Now using a fork or a skewer, we're going to poke 4 to 5 small holes in each cracker. This prevents bubbling up and helps them bake flat and crisp. We're going to bake those in a preheated oven for 13 to 15 minutes or until the crackers are golden brown, edges are crisp, and the cheesy aroma is very strong. And we're going to rotate the pan halfway through the cooking time if needed. Remove the pan from the oven. Now we have to let the crackers cool completely on the baking sheet. They'll continue to crisp up as they cool. When they're completely cool, you can serve those up. So cheesy crackers, there you go. So for some variations, you can roll them thinner to make them extra crunchy. You can swap out the paprika for smoked paprika. You can add garlic powder, dried herbs, or black pepper. Use different cheeses like Gruyere or Asiago. Enjoy! The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.